Imagine a world where humans, instead of giving birth to live offspring, laid eggs. This concept, though seemingly far-fetched, takes us on a fascinating journey through biology, evolution, society, and culture. What if humans laid eggs? Let's explore this alternative evolutionary path and its profound implications. In the natural world, many creatures lay eggs, from birds to reptiles, and even some mammals like the platypus. Egg laying, or oviparity, offers various advantages. For starters, the developing embryo can be protected and nurtured externally. In a hypothetical human context, this might mean that women wouldn't endure the typical strains associated with pregnancy, such as morning sickness or back pain. Instead, the reproductive process would be shared more equally among genders, possibly leading to significant societal changes in perceptions of parental roles. The first noticeable difference would be the physical shape and adaptability of our species. Human bodies might evolve to adapt better to the needs of laying and protecting eggs. For instance, a physiological shift towards wider hips, combined with a more streamlined body for efficient egg laying, might be an outcome. Men might develop unique features to contribute to nurturing and protecting eggs, driving a more substantial bilateral parental care model. Culturally, the very fabric of human interaction might be altered. The act of laying an egg might become a revered and celebrated event, similar to how certain cultures today view childbirth. Communities could rally around this process, having designated spaces for egg laying and incubation, reflecting a profound shift in family and social structures. Just as some bird species build intricate nests, humans could develop elaborate rituals and constructions for egg laying, reflecting social status, artistic talent, or even personal values. Educational systems and child-rearing would also see a transformation. When children hatch from eggs, they would likely emerge at a different developmental stage compared to the current birthing process. These early life changes could potentially affect the education timeline, altering how, when, and what children learn. Parents or caregivers might place significant emphasis on creating optimal incubation environments, perhaps leading to advancements in technologies aimed at monitoring and aiding the incubation process. From an evolutionary perspective, laying eggs could impact genetic diversity. In nature, egg laying often involves a larger number of offspring, though with a lower survival rate. Human strategies might develop to ensure a higher survival rate, perhaps through community-based incubation systems or technological advancements in artificial incubation. This could lead to a greater focus on genetic health and diversity, pushing human evolution in new and unforeseen directions. Our very economy might pivot around this new life process. Industries focusing on incubation technologies, egg care products, and related services might flourish. Healthcare systems would adapt, focusing on egg care as much as they currently do prenatal care, possibly reducing, reallocating, or even radically transforming maternal health services. Businesses would likely find innovative ways to capitalize on these changes, supplying incubators, monitoring systems, or specialized nutrition that ensures optimal conditions for embryos developing outside the human body. Socially, we might witness a novel form of cooperation between individuals, families, and communities. The shared responsibility of incubating and hatching offspring could foster a stronger sense of communal support and interdependence. It might encourage more communal living arrangements, where shared resources and knowledge significantly impact survival and success. In contemplating a world where humans lay eggs, we're invited to imagine a host of scientific, social, and personal shifts. While laying eggs seems like a simple biological change, its ripple effects could touch every aspect of life, challenging basic notions of identity, family, and community. The hypothetical shift invites us to reflect not just on biological possibilities, but also on our potential for adaptation and growth as a species. So, while humans laying eggs is purely speculative, exploring such an extraordinary idea helps us appreciate the complexities and wonders of human life as we know it. This exercise of imagination underscores how even slight changes in our biology can lead to vast, impactful evolutions in the structure of society itself, offering a fascinating lens through which to re-examine the endlessly surprising narrative of life on Earth.